two of the biggest names in CRM go head-to-head, Freshsales or Pipedrive. Which one is the true game changer? On one side, we have Freshsales, packed with automation and AI-friendly tools. On the other, Pipedrive, trusted by sales teams worldwide for its streamlined approach. We're putting them to the test where it counts: features, ease of use, pricing, integrations, and customer support. Let's skip the slogans and see what actually helps you steal more deals. Each round, we'll hand out points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who owns the CRM crown. You'll know exactly who owns the CRM crown. You might be surprised by the final score. Let's dive in. Okay, before we jump into the head-to-head, let's lay out the categories. Here's what we'll look at: price, features, ease of use, integrations, reporting and analytics, and finally, global support. Let's see who comes out on top in each one. Let's start off with price. Honestly, this is where Pipedrive really shines. It has a super attractive entry price. If you're just dipping your toes into CRM, you don't need to fork out a fortune, and there are no contracts locking you in. Absolutely love that. Freshsales does come with a free tier though, and for what you get, especially their built-in AI, it's solid value. But, and this is a big one, the higher tiers for Freshsales can get pricey fast. So if your budget is tight or you just want to get started without thinking too much, Pipedrive totally has the edge here. Now, features. This is where things get cool. Freshsales throws the kitchen sink at you. Sales, marketing, phone calls, chat, automations, they pack it all in. Plus their AI can do lead scoring, forecasting, conversation insights, you name it. It's wild. But you might feel a bit overwhelmed if you're just looking for a simple tool. Pipedrive, on the other hand, is laser focused. It's all about that pipeline. Simple, effective, you move deals along, and it just clicks for sales folks. Not as many tools built in, but it nails the essentials. So yeah, feature-rich winners, that's definitely Freshsales. So yeah, feature-rich sales. Let's talk about ease of use. If you want something super intuitive right out of the box, Pipedrive is hard to beat. Sales reps love it because it's visually simple and the setup is almost instant. You don't have to spend hours figuring it out. Freshsales has a modern UI and lots of ways to customize stuff, but there's definitely more of a learning curve at the beginning. It's not rocket science, but you'll need to poke around a bit before you feel like a pro. Usability award? That's Pipedrive's lane. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Pipedrive was literally founded by real salespeople who got sick of bloated old-school CRMs? That's why it just feels so streamlined. Fun fact for your next company trivia night. Integrations. Both tools play nice with other apps, but in slightly different ways. Freshsales connects best with its own Freshworks suite, plus stuff like Zapier and Slack, and they've got a decent little app marketplace. The catch? Some integrations are locked behind higher level plans. Yeah, paywalls. Pipedrive, though, has tons of integrations, especially with staples like Google, Microsoft, and Zoom. Just keep in mind, if you're on the lowest tier, there are some API restrictions. So both are strong, but each has quirks you'll want to check depending on your stack. Alright, reporting and analytics. Here's where Freshsales really flexes. You get advanced dashboards, all the reports you could possibly want, and here's something cool. Their AI actually gives you forecasting and next step suggestions. If you love digging into numbers, honestly, you'll be in heaven. Only thing, it might be more than you actually need if you just want the basics. Pipedrive, simple customizable reports, but if you want fancy analytics, their lower plans are kind of bare bones. Advantage Freshsales. Last up, global presence and support. Freshsales? Super strong. Chat, email, and phone support almost 24/5, plus they're well established worldwide. Top tier. Just heads up, the very best support comes on their higher priced plans, not a shocker, but still. Pipedrive offers email support and there's an active community, which is great, but if you want live help on the basic plan, yeah, you won't get it. So for support, Freshsales is the go-to. Alright, if you're a visual person, check this out. Here's how they stack up side by side in every category. Some areas are super close, but a few big differences jump out, don't they? So, final thoughts. If you're about all-in-one power, automations, and seriously smart AI, Freshsales is your best friend here. But if you really just want a no-nonsense, fast CRM that nails pipeline management for deals and doesn't make you think, Pipedrive is the smooth operator. Both are awesome, but they do fit different personalities. Hey, if this was helpful, hit that subscribe button for more genuine, real-world CRM comparisons and tips. I'll see you in the next one.